How to change your WhatsApp business number without losing your chat and data. If you are considering to change your WhatsApp business number and you are concerned on losing your chat and data, in this video I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your WhatsApp app, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. Then on this interface, continue to tap on chat. In this case, you have to scroll down until you locate chat backup and then tap on it. In your case, if you want to restore chat including your videos, you can then proceed to toggle this on. After that, you then proceed to tap on backup. Depending on the size of your backup, it might take a little bit while. After that, then proceed to go back until you land on this interface. Then continue to tap on account. Now for you to change your number, then continue to tap on change number. Then you have the option to tap on next. Then on this interface, continue to tap on your old WhatsApp number including your country code and then enter your new WhatsApp number. After that, continue to tap on next. That's it. You have successfully changed your WhatsApp number without losing your chat and data. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.